Are you thinking about starting a t-shirt business but don't know where to get your t-shirts from? I'm going to tell you my top 3 places that I personally get my t-shirts from. There's no particular order. These are just the top 3 places that I get my shirts from and the reasons why. Now, everybody have different places that they prefer to get their shirts from. So you don't have to get your shirts from these places. These are just where I get mine from. So first up is All Day Shirts. So All Day Shirts has a variety of t-shirts, whether it's Bella Canvas, Gildan, Next Level, Celebi, jerseys. They have different brands, hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeve t-shirts, and they have a large array of sizes from extra small all the way up to, I think the largest I've seen is 5X. It might be larger, but I know for a fact that I've seen up to 5X. They have kid sizes, they have hoodies, they have beanies, they have all types of apparel at All Day Shirts. So All Day Shirts have it where once you hit, I think $50, it might be $45, but I know the price isn't high. Once you hit, I'll just say $50 because I can't remember exactly. I'm sorry, but once you hit $50, then you get free standard shipping, and then with their shipping, they have 3 different tiers. So they have the free standard, which is like the back of the line, and then they have like a rush shipping, and they have expedited shipping. And they also have a plan where you can pay $29 for the year, and you automatically get fastest shipping. So if you get the $29 for the year, you can order today, and they'll ship your stuff out same day. Sometimes it depends on like what time you order, or either the very next day. The shipping, even with the standard shipping, they say it's back of the line, but even with the standard shipping, they ship out fast. So I like that about All Day Shirts. So next up is my local vinyl store. So what I love about my local vinyl store is the fact that it's convenient. So if I have an order and someone orders last minute and say, okay, can you have this ready for me today by 5 o'clock? I know I can just go online, put in the order that I need, and I go and do curbside pickup at my local vinyl store. Or if I need to run in the store to see what they got and go and grab the stuff, I can go and grab it. The prices are great. The customer service is amazing. I just love my local vinyl store. So I shop there a lot. Last but not least is S&S Activewear. So this is actually for an order that I have to do. So what I like about S&S Activewear is just like with All Day Shirts, they have a variety of brands you can choose from. They have a variety of sizes, a variety of products, period, that you can purchase from S&S Activewear. The price point, they beat the competition. I haven't seen anyone's prices. Now, I could be wrong. Now, I've shopped with S&S Activewear, my local vinyl store, All Day Shirts, Jiffy Shirts, I think Shirt Space. But anyway, from just my personal experience, I haven't seen anyone whose prices are better than S&S Activewear as far as the t-shirt prices. Now, what I don't like about it is the shipping. So with S&S Activewear, the shipping, it is, you have to order at least $200 worth of products in order to get free standard shipping. So if you don't order $200 worth of products, then you have to pay for shipping. And my shipping, personally, I'm in Georgia, so it depends on which warehouse it's coming from. Usually, the t-shirts come from McDonough from when I order, but sometimes it comes from other warehouses. So I have paid shipping from $9.50 all the way up to $18 and some change. So it just depends on which warehouse it's coming from and which postal service they're using. Usually you can choose between UPS, priority shipping for the regular postal service, or FedEx. I usually choose the cheaper one. I'm just being honest. I usually choose the cheaper one. But what I do like about it is, although you would have to pay shipping if you don't order $200 worth of products, if I order before 2 o'clock today and I choose UPS, my order is gonna be on my doorstep the next day. So that's what I do love about S&S Activewear. So if I get a big order in a crunch, I still order from S&S Activewear, even if I have to pay shipping. I just add it in. So that's my tee on the top 3 places that I personally like to get my t-shirts from. Like I said, everyone is different. So just depending on your experience, what you might like. You might not like S&S Activewear. You might not like All Day Shirts. I don't know, but it's up to you. You just have to just try it out, compare prices, compare products. Also the quality of products, it makes a difference as well. And that's another thing that I like about SNS Activewear, my local vinyl store. So again, this is just my opinion. You can tell me in the comments what's your favorite place. And as always, thank you for crafting with April. I am April, your craft tutor. And remember that you are amazing.